Hey folks, Coach here with Village Breaks. During the coronavirus pandemic, it has been discouraged from leaving the house, which is a good thing that you can have cards delivered. Ordered this from Panini. This is one of their mega boxes. It's going to have pink firework parallels, which sound just really fun. And then it's going to have an autograph as well. And we're going to hope that we get a really cool autograph, like maybe Jordan or Luis Robert or Gavin Lux or Boba. But I'll probably end up with Isan Diaz, as usual, or, a Florida Marlins relief pitcher, because that's my luck. But let's crack it and see if we can maybe find a firework parallel of a good rookie. That'd be cool, too. All right, there is Tatis, David Dahl, Brendan McKay, rookie. That's not terrible. Let's see if I can get the focus a little better. There we go. All right, and our first firework parallel is Marcus Semien. And we got an Anthony K rated rookie pink parallel. So very colorful, very colorful. That's Donruss. Donruss this year is all about the color, all about the parallels, and let's chase some emojis and all that kind of stuff. Trying to make sure I don't want to find our auto too soon. B squared, which is Bobby Bradley. Nice Mike Trout. Our second firework is Hyunjin Ryu. These cards do look nice. And then David Peralta. Michael King rookie card. I'm making a mess. More so than usual. Alright, let's see what the next pack brings. I think we get 14 packs in this box. Something like that. We have Bregman. That guy. Him. Nico Horner. That's pretty cool. We have a Justin Verlander for LSU Maniacs Astros. And Ricky Henderson, the Man of Steel. Of course, that wasn't the naming variation one. Alrighty. I like Nico Horner. Wouldn't mind getting one of his autos as well. Buster Posey, Calhoun Marte, Josh Bell, Joe Palumbo, not to be confused with Columbo. It is a rookie, but it's the paper. So that's kind of cool. It's one of the parallels. And here we have our next fireworks is Alec Burleson. And on the back of Burleson is Joey Gallo. And we have a Jeff McNeil. Pretty cool pink. And Jim Rice to round out the pack. Hope everyone is doing well during this kind of unprecedented time. Hope everyone is also heeding the warnings and staying at home. There's no need to risk it. It's pretty cool Mookie Betts there. Pink fireworks. Nice. Like that for the PC. Eloy Jimenez. Pink parallel. Did not have that one, but I do now. This card cracks me up because he's not Gigante. I think that's why it's funny. AJ Putt, that's a nice, the rookies firework. And an Anthony Rizzo parallel. Excuse me. I promise, seasonal allergies. No corona here that I know of. We have, oh, cool. Dale Murphy, one of my all-time favorites. Dale Murphy, Baby Shark parallel. And now playing Keston Hiura. Pink firework parallel. And Josh Bell, Diamond King parallel. It's kind of weird with the Diamond Kings being in those parallels because I just, I don't know. Doesn't quite look right. We have Newman. Vlad Jr. Now playing Fernando Tatis. That's a nice pink firework. Looks pretty cool. And Jack Flaherty, which is one of LSU Maniac's favorite names to pronounce on his channel. We got a redemption in here, so we're going to hold off on that. Don't even know who the redemptions are in this. At least I think it was a redemption. It looked like it. Nice. Gavin Lux. Pink firework. That is a good card. And Giancarlo. Pretty cool. I guess I need to start putting together the base set of this because I've opened enough of it to have at least one. There you go, DV. I knew you were worried. There he is. Yusei Kikuchi. I will put it aside for you. Don't worry. I will put it in the pile for DV. Luis Severino. Star Paper Parallel. Colton Cowser. And on the back we have David Dahl. And a nice Del Murphy. It's a Murphy box. I like it. He was one of my all-time favorite Braves. Grew up watching old number 3 in the outfield. No idea why he is not in the Hall of Fame. He should be. Shohei Ohtani. Bruce Hooper. Now playing Yordan Alvarez in a pink firework parallel. And Justin Bieber. The Biebs. 2 packs left, and then we'll get back and see what that card was in that pack that might have been a redemption. AJ Puck. Now, I'm a big fan of that one. Christian Posh, pink firework parallel prospect card. I'm a big fan of that card. And for Weber's Mile High, we have a Nolan Arenado, Diamond King. Maybe they had to send me a redemption because, you know, they're having a really difficult time getting, you know, I don't know, finding a Babe Ruth cut autograph, you know, for me or something. I don't know. That's got to be what it was. The Degrominator. Austin Martin with Chipper Jones on the back. That's cool. And we've got Ring That Josh Bell. All right, so there's our packs. Let's check out this last one here. We're going to do this little, like that. This is a good pack. Ronald Acuna, pink firework. And an El Nino, which is Mr. Fernando Tatis, naming variation. All right, let's see here. Joe Adele, that's a good one. Retro 1986 Signatures Pink Fireworks Joe Adele. That is probably one of the better ones you can hit from a prospect perspective. I think Wander does have one in here. I'd love to hit that one, but I'll take a Joe Adele. That's my first Adele autograph, so that'll be cool. Have to get that scratched, get it put in, and usually Panini's pretty fast to send things, so I'm kidding. Panini's horrible. I've got a whole page of redemptions that I'm just waiting on, so we'll add this to the stack of maybe they'll send it someday. Maybe they won't. But all in all, pretty good box there. This is Coach of Village Breaks. You guys take care, and we'll catch you next time.